Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I'm here to share one of the latest additions to my skincare routine. This Manuka Relief Soothing Cream is amazing. I've been using this on some problem areas I have on my hands, and I've been really happy with the results. So when I initially began using this, I was applying it several times a day, especially after I would wash my hands or in place of hand lotion. Now, this cream has a great creamy consistency. It's not overly greasy, and I found a little bit goes a long way. So this 4-ounce container will most likely last me several months. Now, I am always someone that's looking at labels when it comes to skincare products because I want to know exactly what it is I'm applying to my skin, but there was nothing contained in this cream that made me uncomfortable, and I've found that I can use it as often as needed. I'm really so happy with this cream that I plan to keep using it as part of my daily skincare routine. And that's my point of view.